Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have admin access and a saved theme duplicate. This prevents breaking the live site. Next, open online store right arrow themes, right arrow actions, right arrow edit code so you can edit files directly. Use your browser's inspect tool to identify the exact banner button selector, classes, or ID matter. Once you know the selector, you'll be ready to add targeted CSS. Make sure to note the file name where theme CSS lives so you don't guess later. Now you add the actual CSS. Open assets/theme, SCSS, liquid or the base CSS file and paste a rule using the exact selector you found, for example. Banner. CTA button background color, #FF4500, color #FFF. Use, hover, and focus variants to control states. If the theme style sheet has higher specificity, add a stronger selector or use, important sparingly. Once done, save and use preview to verify colors display as intended across desktop and mobile, making tweaks as necessary. Finish by saving your CSS changes and previewing them against the duplicated theme. When everything looks correct, publish the duplicate to go live. If you don't see updates, clear your browser cache or test in an incognito window to rule out local caching. If problems persist, inspect the button again. Another rule may be overriding yours, so increase selector specificity or move the rule to the bottom of the CSS. That single troubleshooting tip usually resolves most color override issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.